We'll guide you through how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are in Chrome. So for certain sites to go and work and for their features to work, JavaScript needs to be enabled. So we're going to guide you through step by step on how you can go and enable it. And hopefully then it will go and start working on where you need to go and use it. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip anything, otherwise you may go miss an important part of this video. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do is you need to go and head to the top right of Chrome. There you're going to go and find the three dots which you need to go and click on. Go down and you need to find the option for settings at the bottom like so, and they'll then open up. Come over to the left and you can go and find the option for privacy and security, and you want to go and click there like so. Then what you need to do is come down the list and you want to go and find the option for site settings. Then what you need to do is you need to come down into content. And in here we can go and find JavaScript. In here we can then go and see JavaScript and go and click there. At the top you can choose whether sites can use JavaScript or don't allow sites to make sure sites can use it. What's super important is you come into customized behaviors and you can find not allowed to use JavaScript. If any site has been added here that you want to use JavaScript on, you'll need to remove it. There should be three dots to the right which you can click on and then you can go and remove it. Just to go and give you a quick example, let's go and say I had a site added here. To go and remove it, press the three dots and press remove. And then what you should do is if you've currently got it open, I'd recommend refreshing it. If not, completely reopening Chrome.